folks. I had a parcel arrive and I am pumped. So let's get into it, shall we? Hang on a mo while I go grab my keys so that we can open it. I'm gonna turn on the light so that you guys can see. But my keys have a lot of doodads on my keys at this point, which is great fun when it comes to finding the correct key. It's in these moments that I wish I was allowed scissors, but unfortunately they are a risk for me, and so I am not allowed to. But we're not going to get into why. It's just a thing. The keys do the job fine enough. Beautiful. Now we are getting somewhere. My trash can's right there. Now, oh yeah, it's just a packing slip. Coolio. Now we have a bundle of bubble wrap that I have to work out how to get into. They really protect these well, which I am glad about, but it is a bit of a nightmare to get into. I'm a bit like, how in the fuck am I supposed to get into this? They safety proof it, but they also Karen proof it. So I can't get in. And it's a nightmare. Okay, I'm gonna struggle with this off camera real quick, and I'll come back when I've got into it. Okay, so now I've gotten into it. Let's get this. Oh. Okay. Cool. So, it's just a cute little CD player. Oh, and I get a Benny photo card. That's adorable. Now let me find my photo card protectors. Pull it out. Okay, so there's another one inside the CD thing. But yeah, it's a Benny. It's so cute. I love it. I love getting more photo cards. They're my favorite thing ever. And you get to go into the photo card drawer. How in the fuck am I supposed to get into the plastic? Help? How does one do this? They've really idiot-proofed this, which is great because it means that it's safe and nothing's getting damaged. But it's bad because how the fuck am I supposed to get into them? Let me see if I can. There we go. Ah! This is not easy to get into. That I will say. Which in some ways is fun because it like extends the opening time of this far more, but it's also stressful because I'm like, how in the fuck am I supposed to get into this? Oh, there was a pull thing to get into. Okay, I'm dumb. Oh well. That's fine. Okay, well. Well then. Let's see what's in this little book thingy here. Oh, okay, so it's got these, and it's got a photo card. Let's see who it is. Oh, Spectrum! Oh, look how pretty. So very pretty. Time for you to be protected. In he goes to the photo card protector. So pretty. So pretty. Wee. Now does this have the what in the hell is this? Do you I don't feel like this goes anywhere, so I'm just gonna put it in the bin. Anyways, let's see if in this... Oh, it does have the lyrics. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, again, like case 143, like the majority of the lyrics are English in the song. Yep. And then there's whole spiels from them that I cannot read because it's in Japanese. Nor will I ever probably be able to read because I am learning Korean, not Japanese. Because, I mean, I've heard that learning Korean is easier than learning Japanese because with Japanese you have all the different types of characters. It's not just like one set of characters, but in Korean you've got Hangul and that's about it. But it's so cute and little. She's so pretty. She's so pretty, my baby. Also, this is going to be easier for playing the sound than my other one because I don't have to worry about scratching another disc. So yeah, but it's really cute. It's very cool. I'm very happy. Very happy with it. So yeah, she gets to go on the shelf right there. Beautiful. It's perfect. My shelf is just getting more and more albums and stuff, and it makes me so happy. I love it. Okay, that's all for now. Bye-bye.